Section 6.3, writing flat key signatures. So you're hopefully well practiced by now at taking a flat key signature and figuring out the name of its major key. So looking at this key signature, which has 4 flats, we circle the second to last one, which happens to be A flat, so that is the name of your key, A flat major. Looking at this one, it has a total of 6 flats. The second to last one, in other words, the one second from right, is a G flat, so the name of your major key is G flat major. And then the last one is that exception where you don't have a second to last flat. In fact, you only have 1 flat. You just have to memorize that that key is F major. So in these problems, we've been starting from the key signature and going to the name of the major key. But what we're going to do now is to start here and be able to write out the key signature from that. So start here, go to that, start here, go to that. Musicians should be able to go both ways equally fluently. So here are the ground rules here. We're just going to use the same method. It's just going to be in reverse this time. So from your given major key, so it might be A flat major or G flat major or whatever, you're going to go 1 flat further in the order of flats when you're writing out the flats. In other words, that will make your given key become the second to last flat. And I'll show you how that works in just a second. You still know the order of flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, F flat, or B to G, C, F. And when you're writing out the flats in treble or bass clef, remember, kind of start in the middle and then zig up and then zag down, etc., until you have the correct number of flats that you want. Okay, so now let's see this in action. At the top of page 36, I'll do a couple of examples where you see the answers visible, and then we'll do a few where you don't. So this is what you want to think of as your starting point. We want to write the key signature for D flat major. That's really what this capitalized D flat is standing in for. So D flat major. Well, you know that you want the name of this major key to be the second to last flat, right? D flat needs to be the second to last flat. So what you can do is to think of your order of flats. You can think B flat, E flat, A flat. D flat is the one that I want to be second to last, so I need to go 1 further than that. So now I have this collection, and D flat is in the second to last position. So now all I need to do is to write these flats out. So B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat is the one that I wanted to be second to last because that's the name of my major key. So I go 1 further than that to G flat. So I have a total of 5 flats. And of course that matches what we have here. Now let's take this next one. E flat major is our starting point, and we're in treble clef now. So E flat needs to be the second to last flat. Well, we can think of our order of flats. B flat is first. E flat, we want that to be second to last, so we need to go 1 more than that when we are collecting our flats to put in the key signature. So B flat, E flat is going to be the second to last one, so we go 1 more, A flat. So our key signature has 3 flats in it. You can double check these by going in the reverse direction. So pretend that you're starting from here. You would circle your second to last one. That's D flat. Oh, yep, that does get us right to where we want. Pretend that you're starting from here, B flat, E flat, up, yep, second to last one. Yep, that does match. So when you're doing these, you can very, very quickly proofread your work. Okay, now let's go on to a few of these in the next exercise so you can see maybe more clearly how it works. So first one, and let me make a quick statement here. So all of these are guaranteed to involve flats. I'm not mixing these up with sharps yet, so you don't have to worry about sharps right now. So B flat major. What is the key signature going to be? Well, we want B flat to be the second to last flat in our key signature. So let's actually, why don't we start writing them out? B flat, oh, well, that's the first flat. So we need to go 1 further than that. So B flat and E flat, that is your appropriate key signature. A flat major. So we're going to begin writing our order of flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, we want to be second to last, so we need to go 1 further than that up to D flat. So this one has 4 flats. You can see where we're going with this. Let's just do 1 more, and then I'll give you a break to work these out. We want E flat major, so B flat, E flat, we want to be second to last, so go 1 further than that up to A flat. So your correct answer is 3 flats. So if you want, you can pause the video, work out the rest of these. Just remember your F major, that's the exception. All right, let's go over these answers. So F major, that's just the one that you need to memorize. It has one flat only in its key signature. And what is that one flat? That one flat is B flat, because the first flat in the order of flats is still B flat. Next one, D flat major. Write out your flats, B flat, E flat, A flat. D flat is the one that you want to be second to last, so go one more. Now we're in bass clef, so you're writing your flats in slightly different locations on the staff here. So G flat major, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. G flat should be second to last, so you go one further. 6 flats is your answer. C flat major, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. C flat should be second to last, so yep, you have to go one more, all the way to 7 flats. A flat major, B flat, E flat, A flat should be second to last, so go one more. B flat major, just B flat, and then one more, so that the B flat becomes the second to last flat. Then F major, yep, just as before, it only has a single flat, and remember that flat lives on the B. Its only flat is B flat.